Okay, it was in there a little over an hour. As you can see, it has definitely doubled in size. I'm going to punch it down. Look at it deflate. I'm going to do something real quick. I'll flour this part. Okay. I think I'm going to try and make 24 rolls out of this. It looks like it's going to be a lot though. Alright. I'm going to cut each of these into 6, hopefully. Because they're going to go through another rise once they're made into rolls. What I've got is got a little 13 by 9 pan that I have sprayed with cooking spray. Excuse me. I want to tell you, I missed last week. We had a little emergency with our dog. We have 2 Dachshunds. And Nikita, our 13-year-old long-haired Dachshund, developed IBDD. IBDD is invertebral disc disorder that are very common in Dachshunds because of their length and their short legs. And it was really bad there for a little while. I was scared to death that something was going to happen to her, that she was going to not be able to walk because of her age. But in fact, one day she quit walking and it scared me to death because but we got her on some steroids and she's doing really good now. She is very manipulative and very spoiled, but that's what our fur babies are for. But she's on the mend. She is running around being her normal bratty self. Alright, I wanted to remind y'all, alright, some of these are going to be bigger than the other ones. I wanted to remind y'all that whenever I hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. So, I need 44 more subscribers to reach 1,000. So, y'all help me out. Share these videos, comment, like them, and help me out here, and be on the lookout for a really big giveaway coming soon. I may have to get another pan. Man, they aren't really perfect. But you know what? They're homemade. I'm going to tell you something. I know how good these things are. I do want to tell you a little story. I am a diabetic. I'm a type 2 diabetic, but I am on insulin. And because I'm on pain management, I get drug tested every month. Well, when I went to my doctor month before last, he was telling me about it. He said, well, I want to ask you something. You tested positive for alcohol. And I was like, no, I don't think, well, that's not possible. I don't drink. I haven't drank in 5 years. I have a a lot of belly problems. So anytime I've ever socially drank, I'd end up in the hospital. So I decided it was just better for me not to drink at all. But he did determine something. He said because my A1C is kind of really high, he said that my body is making its own alcohol. And I had told him that at the time I had been making homemade bread. And I really wonder if the yeast in the yeast rolls and yeast breads that I was making didn't help that along. So I was making my own alcohol. My friends were just like, oh my God, this is great. I'm gonna walk around patting your own still. So, which I didn't find that all that funny, but I don't think I tested positive after that, but I hadn't been making rolls either. Some of these are really dipsy. Alright, at this time I've got more left over, but I'm going to put those in another pan. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to spray the top of them. And put them back in the oven with the light on again for about another half hour or so. Oh, sorry, that's not even saran wrap. Well, I'll tell y'all what. Put these in for another half hour or so till they double in size as well. Then we'll cook them up. So, we'll be back shortly. Okay, guys. These have risen. They've doubled in size, almost doubled in size. So, preheat your oven to 350. Now I'm going to put a little bit of butter on top of them. Or you can do an egg wash. I like to do butter, and then when they come out, I'm going to do butter again. So, and this is the part, look at these small ones. This is the part where your house starts smelling wonderful. Remind me of elementary, middle, and high school. Alright, I'm going to put these in the oven for about 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes, and we'll bring you back. Okay, these took about 25 minutes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it up so I can butter them real good. Let's see how this works out for me. Thank you. Sorry. My oven mitts are in the laundry. And I just burnt my husband.
No. I'm just crooked with this thing.
Okay. I'm sorry, guys. This is hard to get hold of.
This will be a very jiggly video.
Sorry about that. Alright, now I got this one. What I've got this down, the foil down here for is whenever I put the butter on everything. And I wish we had smell-o-vision. This smells so good. And by the way, this is real butter. I guess one thing that aggravates me is, and it's just me, and I'm being probably anal about it, is when people talk about butter and they're using margarine. Big difference, but that's me. Alright, now, in a real world, hold on a minute, I got a plan. In the real world, we'd probably let these cook. But guess what? That's not going to happen here.
I think you meant cool.
What did I say?
Cook.
Oh, God. Well, I'm on a roll today. On a roll. Yeah, we won't let these cook or cool. There you go. Check it out. They're so soft and tender. Can't wait to eat them with our supper. Well, that's a wrap for everything, and I'd like to invite y'all to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. I'd love to have you join us. Y'all have a great day. Supper's ready. Bye.